It is absolutely possible. I found out the hard way what can happen if you get bad compost from a retail store. So I'm going to show you today how I hunt and gather and make really nice worm bedding without a drop of manure in it. I don't have to worry about herbicides. I don't have to worry about dewormer. I've got plenty to worry about just keeping them in there. I usually just hot compost straight on the ground, but this year I'm using a cage. Hoping it'll help me with height and temperature. I'm not going to put any manure in there. I will use urine and I'll use fish water. I wanted to show you how I gather and how I can still get a really hot compost without using it. Horsetail is one of our most ancient plants. It was around 300 million years ago. Back then there were species that were over 100 feet tall. That's a tenacious little plant. It's worked hard to be here, and it can grow pretty much anywhere. That's why it's considered an invasive. It's actually bad for cows. They'll just keep eating it until they go into a coma and die. It's not funny. It's comfrey. The perfect chop and drop. It's desirable because it has root systems that run really, really deep and pull up some of the deeper minerals. They have calcium in them, naturally rich in NPK that can be used like manure. It breaks down really fast. The bees love it. A couple of grapevines. I get this amount off of this one plant 3 or 4 times a year, and I have 3 of these plants. I grew this specifically for composting. I would still use manure if I could find a source, but I just do not trust the chemicals. Just can't. I don't want to take the roots. This is not going to work. I need a sharper thing. I need something. I like to leave the weeds so that the beneficial bugs have a place to overwinter. Same for here. I'll trim this really high. I'll take those tops because mycorrhizal fungi populate the roots of grasses. This was the aisle between the 2 rows, and it's about 3 or 4 years of chips. breaking down here, so yeah, that's good stuff right there. Can't believe there's actually one of these in here. This is why I don't take the leaves from up top. You can see his little arms move. He's not dead. They lay still because they don't really have much of a defense. But he'll take off when I go away. I don't know if I can zoom in on it or not, but they've got little arms, little tiny arms and legs. I just think they're adorable. So that's why I leave all the leaves in the backyard. There are thousands of them up there. See, once he gets somewhere where he can hide, he'll just start disappearing into the leaves. I'm headed down to the creek. To get a little sand and silt. This is going to be dinner. Score. Deer poop. This is exactly what I wanted. Yay. I'm going to use all of those apples. This is old garden soil. That's garden waste. Leaves from the upper yard. Horsetail in the bucket. More garden waste. Debris from the woods. Debris from the high water spots in the creek. This is a big cage. We'll see if I gathered enough to fill it. See ya.